Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Anush Projects. Before going into the video, please go subscribe our channel and hit the like button and comment share as well. Hi guys, welcome to my first premiere. In this video, let's see how to create animation cartoon on MS PowerPoint. And this is the part 2 of this video. If you didn't see the part 1, the link is given above in the I button and as well as in description. Now let's move into video. MS PowerPoint. Insert a blank slide. Click on Insert Tag and then click on Shape and click on Rectangular Shape. And to like how I did it, and click on Color, change color to gray. And now insert a cough shop image and remove the background image and fix it to the position where you want. And now do the same method for graph. Now click on Format Background for the slide and color the sky. Use light blue gradient. Now insert the card GIF and remove the background. Before that, zoom out the slide. Now click on the car and keep it on corner and click on Animation tag and click on Lines and click on the arrow key and drag it to the other end. And click on Animation Plane and click on Effect Settings and decrease the smoothness. Do the same method for other GIFs as well. Now let's look at my flood.